All right, guys, we're back out here. It's about a week later now. I have been riding this just to make sure that the fitment is there, because obviously we're upgrading from a 10-inch to 11-inch tire. They may not have intended for us to do that. And as you see on the back, the rear, there's plenty of space. There's not an issue with that. On the front, you do have a very tight clearance right here. And it doesn't rub while you're riding or any under normal riding conditions, but when you jump on the scooter as hard as you can, it does compress the shock enough and the swing arm comes up enough that it rubs for a half of a second, like a millisecond almost. And it is loud enough you can hear it, obviously. It doesn't seem to affect the scooter at all. It's not like slowing you down or acting like a brake. But that slight amount of rubbing was just enough for me that I ended up taking just a little file like this and took about maybe 1 millimeter right here off the sort of edge of this shock and the bottom of the shock. And to me, that's fine. It's not like the shock's gonna crumble just from taking the edge of it off. And it gives it enough clearance now that it doesn't rub. I've taken it over all sorts of gnarly roads the last week and it handles so good. Obviously you get a bigger tire, you roll over stuff more easily, but you get the real rubber, right? You're getting softer road feel, and just over all sort of imperfections, it just rides amazing, especially with the steering damper. This scooter is extremely smooth over all the bumps now. 11-inch tires are superior, and I'm very happy to get these on. They do, obviously, after you ride a little bit, you'll also wear down a little tread, and you'll gain a little more space too. So to me, the mini rubbing will stop after a little bit, and they fit. To me, they fit, and it's a yes. Obviously, the mud guards are not gonna fit. To me, that's not an issue. I've been riding Mukata without mud guards for a year. It's not something that I worry about because I just ride when it's nice. This scooter is a beast now. These 11-inch tires take it to the next level. Extremely smooth. It's almost smoother to me than all the other 11-inch scooters I've tried. I don't know why. Probably because of the steering damper is very nice and tight. And then also, you can tighten this down in a way. Here, let me show you. You're able to put a screwdriver into the right here, right? And tighten this down super tight also. So to me, this is really tight. The steering damper adds to the tightness, right? And then you have PMT tires. This scooter is just amazing now. It's amazing. If you guys end up getting this scooter, definitely think about doing this upgrade. If you don't need to ride in the rain, obviously, if you don't need the mud guards, definitely worth it. And to me, like I said, there's just enough space that it rides fine. It rides perfectly fine to me, and I'm gonna keep riding this scooter, ride it up to 500 miles and give you guys a review. If you guys are interested in the review on the scooter, it'll be out probably in about 2 weeks.